In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a professional account or switch it back to personal account on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, and if you got professional dashboard here at your profile, that definitely means that your current Instagram profile is professional. In order to turn it to personal, all you have to do is just get into settings, then tap at account, and then scroll to the very bottom where you can easily find switch account type. You can just tap on it and then select switch to personal account. Then confirm it, and that's it. Now you can open up your profile. As you can see, there are no more professional dashboard located right here, and that means that you have successfully switched your professional account to personal account. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.